Hello, and today I will be showing you how I'm going to implement Google Classroom in my classroom. Alright, so I pulled up right now just the Google Classroom website. So now I'm just going to click Go to Classroom just so we start from scratch. Alright, when I do that, it'll prompt you to log into your Google account. And now I'm going to show you how to create a classroom. So we're going to click here, and it says join a class or create a class. I'm going to be creating a class today. And I'll just name my class Project 2. Subject, mathematics. Alright. We'll just leave it at math. Foundations of math works. Room number. That's all stuff that I'll have in a future classroom but don't have at the moment. So I'm going to click create. It will let me here. Alrighty. Well, it's creating. This will now create a classroom for me. So I could, as it says right here, I could see students' grades for all assignments. I could test drive rubrics and customize my own stream. Got it. Alright. Now, you could share a post with your class just to share information, or you could add a Google Drive, you can add a YouTube video, you could add all kinds of documents, and this sends it out to your class. So if you give your class this code right here on the first day of school, say this is my Google Classroom, please go in there and this is where you'll get your homework, projects, quizzes, things like that. It helps you as a teacher keep your work organized, and it ensures that students will get all of the information that they're looking for at the touch of a button from wherever they are, which is really convenient as well. Also, you could use this as a professional development type thing, and you could speak with other teachers so that you could help get ideas on new lessons or new tools that you could use also in your lesson plan as a teacher.